I'm going to show you how to attach the cowl neck top at the shoulders. So you've sewn your back neck facing on right sides together with the back neck. And go ahead and give that a press. You are going to take the front bodice and lay it right side down on top of the back bodice. I've already attached my modesty panel, pasted it at the side here. And then you're pretty much going to line up these notches. And this is where accurate cutting comes into play. But sometimes you've got a whiny baby and, you know, you get what you get. But these should line up. And you can see the seam of the facing matches should match the notch where the front cowl facing begins. But anyway, so you will just sew along this line and repeat for the other side. So here we've got both shoulder seams sewn. The next part is to tack. Basically, you're going to tack the facing down by stitching in the ditch. This is the neck side, this is the sleeve side. You're going to fold the neck side down so that wrong sides are together. Okay. Then when you go to stitch, you don't really care what it looks like so much on the wrong side. You're going to approach it from the right side, and you are going to stitch in the ditch, this little divot created by the shoulder seam. I'll show you on my sewing machine. So here is our shoulder seam. This is the neck side. This is the sleeve side. We've got the back facing folded down, and we're going to line the shoulder seam up with our sewing needle. So I had to kind of get it started so now I can show you one-handed. So the shoulder seam is lined up with the sewing needle, so you are stitching right on top of that divot, the ditch created by the shoulder seam. That way you can't see the stitches tacking down the facing when you're all done. Look. Well, in theory. If you've got two hands, you can sew straighter.